4 reasons to schedule a pre-purchase home inspection. Unfortunately, not every home you see listed on the real estate market offers the safety or building quality that you might expect. Consequently, many home buyers wind up offering far more for a home than it is worth based solely on outer appearances. This is where pre-purchase home inspections become an incredibly valuable tool. Our Orlando, Florida-based team at ProInspect Solutions provides thorough pre-purchase home inspections to help buyers find the perfect listing. Below, we have described the top 4 reasons why all home buyers can benefit from a pre-purchase home inspection. 4 benefits of scheduling a pre-purchase home inspection in Orlando, Florida. 1. Avoid overpaying. During a home inspection, a professional will examine the property looking for any potential problems related to the building's structural integrity and overall safety. If, for example, the inspector reports that the roof is in urgent need of a replacement, this does not necessarily mean you need to forget about the property altogether. However, information such as this should reduce the amount that you offer for the home. 2. Plan for upcoming home updates. When you purchase a previously owned home, it is difficult to know when your systems need to be updated. For example, HVAC units, plumbing systems, roofs, and siding all have expiration dates. However, previous owners may not be transparent about when they last had these pieces of equipment maintained. A pre-purchase home inspection will reveal all this information so that you know when to call the technician for maintenance or repairs. 3. Flag potential safety risks. If you have small children or you live with other vulnerable individuals, safety is of the utmost importance when buying a new home. A home inspection is an excellent way to detect potential hazards, such as a point of entry that is easy to break into or a mold problem that could put you and your family's health at risk. 4. Get a second opinion on the value of the home. By trusting a professional home inspector to analyze the property, you will have the opportunity to ask questions about remedying areas of concern and how much it will cost to do this. Although it is not the job of a home inspector to provide a financial evaluation, they may be able to give you some insight as to how serious the problems are and whether or not the property is worth buying. For a pre-purchase home inspection in Orlando, Florida, contact us today. Go to proinspectsolutions.com/contact.